Which country is called the land of the rising sun? Answer is Japan. What is the most popular sport throughout the world? Answer is soccer. What is the place where books are kept called? Answer is library. Who discovered protons? Answer is Rutherford. What does xylem in plants do? Answer is transport water. What does Big Bang theory explain? Answer is origin of universe. Who is the author of Origin of Species? Answer is Charles Darwin. Name the smallest ocean. If you know the answer, you can write in the comment box. The comment box is for you. And you are watching this video till now, then like this video and subscribe the channel for the latest GK video update. Let's move to the answer. Our answer is Arctic Ocean. Which day is celebrated as World Consumer Rights Day? Answer is March 15. What is the SI unit of force? Answer is Newton. Who is the father of economics? Answer is Adam Smith. Which is the first Asian country to orbit Mars? Answer is India. Which country is the largest producer of coffee? Answer is Brazil. Where are the headquarters of UNESCO? Answer is Paris, France. Who invented lift? Answer is Elisa Graves Otis. Which river crosses the equator twice? If you know the answer, you can write in the comment box. The comment box is for you. The answer is Congo River. Who is the fastest man in the world? Answer is Usain Bolt. At which age Gautam Buddha got Nirvana? Answer is 35. Who is known as the father of history? Answer is Herodotus. Who gave the slogan "Do or Die"? Answer is Mahatma Gandhi. WWW stands for? Answer is World Wide Web. Which is the biggest bone in the human body? Answer is femur. Which vitamin helps to heal the wound? Answer is vitamin C. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel for the latest GK video update.